everyone. I'm Susan and welcome to Studio SG, where every design is excellent, elevated, and exciting. Listen, today I want to encourage you to please subscribe to my channel because I feel like you guys are really enjoying the content and I'm happy to bring it to you. To those of you who have already started following me, thank you so much for continuing to support this particular channel. And for those of you who are new subscribers, welcome to Studio SG, and thank you for trusting me with these tutorials. Listen, today I want to challenge myself to use some of these metallic colored balloons that I have been working with for the past few weeks. I've done mock-ups, I've done work for clients, and now I'm like trying to figure out what to do with all the excess. So for me, I think there are some balloons that are just too pretty to die, or at least too pretty to die after just one application or one installation. So I tend to sort of save some of them. Most of them I do get rid of, but the metallic ones, if they're really good looking, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna hang on to you for a minute. So what I've done here is I started actually working with some leftover balloons that I'm repurposing into a whole different design. I want it not just to be organic because it already is, as it is clustered that way, but I also wanted to have sort of an abstract look. So what I did was I grabbed really quickly my 6.5 foot circular arch, and I started working with my metallic golds and my metallic champagne golds. And I am just going to keep building and adding. So the whole goal here is to use all of the metallic balloons that I have remaining in the house, and there's quite a bit. So let's see if I can use all of the metallic golds and metallic champagne golds to sort of put together an abstract design for you. Just watch me work, because I honestly have no earthly clue as to how this is going to turn out. But thank you for staying tuned, y'all. All right, what do you guys think about that so far? Because so far, I'm not offended. Let me go grab some more rose. Why am I calling it rose gold? It's sort of rose gold color, but no, it's definitely champagne gold. Let me go grab some more of that and see how we can make it a little extra special. Okay, so I'm sorry you missed all that. But what I did was I just added a cluster, I believe, here on this side. And then I came back in and added a gold cluster right here. One of my 18-inch champagne golds popped, but that's okay because it almost didn't belong. I fit everything into this one area and sort of left this negative space here for anything else that you might want to do. And now I'm just adding in another piece from last week's design, which is this champagne bottle. And just to show you how versatile all of this can be. So yeah, it's just, let me see, I can probably add a glue dot there. Give me 1 second. Okay, so in all transparency, I told you guys I was using all of the metallic balloons that I have left in the house. I just took a walk over here behind camera where all my supplies are and stumbled on silver metallic balloons. So that means I have to use them because that was the promise and that's the challenge, okay? So let me see where I can apply these and let's make it all work. Okay, that is literally it. I'm gonna get a couple of glue dots, glue this champagne bottle on, and that will conclude our whole balloon repurposing effort. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. Champagne bottle in hand, glue dots in tote, and I am going to just add a few pieces, adhere this to the garland. That's it. We have literally repurposed all of our metallic balloons. Put a few pieces back here. All right, and there you have it. Champagne bottle, all of the metallic balloons repurposed, brand new arch, brand new look. Again, a lot of negative space here because this is so full, so this is how you want it to look. Just go ahead and let me know what you think. I'm gonna just lean the camera down so you can see the full depth and breadth and width of this garland. It works, I love it. Okay. And that's it right there. A quick 5-minute tutorial on how to repurpose your balloons that are too pretty to pop, or at least too pretty to pop yet, okay? Let me know what you think. This is my take on the repurpose of these 3 colors and this Mylar balloon. Thank you so much for watching Studio SG. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so that every time I go live like this, you get notified. And do not absolutely forget to like this video, okay? If you found the content to be helpful at all, go ahead and like this video and share some comments with me. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much and have a great day. Okay, guys, listen, if you know anything about me, you have to know this. I cannot leave well enough alone. I went back and I said, okay, I'm gonna put every metallic balloon I have in the house, including Mylars, in this design. So I popped some stars in here and there. Now, tell me what you think. And thanks for watching me work.